that's to be expected.
I suck at this part. Alright guys, so we have just finished with, well, just about finished our oil change here. So I was concerned about the oil leak. I guess it was a leak that was happening before, during, and after the dyno. But it looks to me that I way overfilled with the break-in oil. I ended up putting 4 or 5 quarts of oil in the engine. It is what it is, but now we have the right amount. I put about 3.7, 3.8 liters in there, even though it does say 3.3, but you know, I don't know how you can really measure it. Anyway, so we are just about done. I just got to put the cap on and get it off the jacks and start her up. What's up, everybody? This is Can't Fit. Wait, am I finishing this video? Yes, I'm finishing this video. You guys, some of you guys have seen what was going on with the car. It wasn't starting, and that's why the video has taken so long to get out. I've been trying to figure out why it wasn't starting. It ended up being some simple thing in the tune, in the settings. So now we are prepping for our next video. We'll be prepping for what is it? FitFest 2025. We're gonna be prepping for that. This long drive to Tennessee with me and my boy. To recap on this video, I changed the oil, had an issue where it just stopped starting for some reason, and figured out, like I said, it was something in the settings. Now, after I changed, or after the idle was fixed, where it was now starting to idle, it didn't know it was supposed to idle, basically, because the idle control was off. So now that it was idling, it was out of time. It was about 3 degrees out of time. So I ended up buying a timing light and did my first time setting base timing on my engine / ECU. This is Can't Fit, and this is Nikita with the Honda Fit, and I'll see y'all in the next one, which is very soon.